Yes, प्यारे बच्चों, today I will discuss regarding electricity, the chapter of physics. It is physics, electricity. I have given two questions, including Ohm's law. First, you know what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law, it is the relations between the electric current and potential difference, that is PD, P dot D dot, is known as Ohm's law. And Ohm's law symbol is this. It is very very important. मगर इसमें एक तो चीज याद रखना है, when temperature is constant, temperature remain same. किसका? कंडक्टर का. याद रखिएगा, टेम्परेचर वर्ड आपका बहुत जगह में आएगा, डेंसिटी, ऐसा बहुत वर्क, पावर, एनर्जी, सब कुछ में. देख लीजिएगा, ओम्स लॉ, द रिलेशंस बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस P डॉट D इज नोन एज ओम्स लॉ. टेम्परेचर ऑफ द कंडक्टर रिमेन सेम. Please be careful. Now, V for volt, I for current, and R for resistance. V equal to I into R. Same, therefore, I equal to V by R and R equal to V by I. V means volt, I means current. That is V, उसका initially V लिखा रहता है, I का ampere, and resistance, that is R. उसका सिंबल A रहेगा, ohms. Now please come to question. Question says, first question, an electric heater of power 1000 watt. एक इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर है जिसका पावर कितना है, 1, देखिएगा उसमें लिखा रहेगा 1000 वाट. ओके. draws a current of 5 amperes. Calculate the line voltage. Now here is given, I have already told so many videos that first you write what is given, then you see what is asking, then you put the conditions. So here given is power P equal to 1000 watt, current I equal to 5 ampere, and volt V equal to unknown, which is to be calculated. Now according to the formula, power equal to V into I, that is volt into current, and therefore V equal to P by E, power by current. Power is 1000 given and 5 ampere is given, therefore volt equal to 2000 volt. Answer. First question is over. Now second question asking an electric bulb of resistance 400 ohms. See the symbol of this. Draws a current of 0.4 amperes. Calculate the power of the bulb and potential difference at its end. See, यहाँ पावर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पावर नहीं है. पावर इज गिवन यार, यहाँ पावर नहीं है. मैं हमेशा ऐसा ही बोलता है. आप जैसे स्कूल जाते हैं, when you go to school and you return to home by the same path, then you can always in perfect way. आप हमेशा ठीक रास्ते में रहिएगा. एक चीज याद रखिएगा, क्वेश्चन कीजिएगा, solve, you first solve the question, then you come to answer. Again from answer to question, please you return the same path, then whole thing will be clear. Now here an electric bulb of resistance 400 ohms draws a current of 0.4 amperes. Calculate the power of the bulb and potential difference P dot D at its end. अच्छा, इसका बारे में बाद में बोलेगा. at its end का मतलब क्या है, पहले आप जान लीजिए. here resistance R equal to 400 ohms, current I equal to 0.4 ampere, power P I don't know, volt V I don't, this to be calculated. When P equal to V into I, volt into current here is given, so therefore and this is and, you mind this is and V equal to current into resistance. V equal to, so therefore V equal to current into resistance, you put the, instead of V, I into R, so I R into R, that means I square R. Therefore P equal to I is how much, 0.4 into 0.4, and power is R is 400 resistance. It is given. It is given. So that is 64 watts. Clear? Now 0.4 के लिए 0 कट जाएगा, 4 into 4 into 4, 64 watts. It is over. Now volt equal to IR, and now I have got it is given volt to be calculated, I into R. So 0.4 into 400, that is 160 volt. So potential difference is equal to volt and potential difference is same. Suppose from this point to this point, in between this, here is a bulb, that is a resistance, here is a fan, that is a resistance, here a fuse, that is a resistance. After going from this side to this side, what is the difference? If the temperature is remain same. Clear? So PD 160 volt and therefore P equal to 64 watt. Answer ये आपका अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन आपका आंसर मिल गया। तो आप प्यारे बच्चों, आप इलेक्ट्रिक करने का पहले 2-3 चीज याद रखिएगा। व्हाट इज स्विच? स्विच इज अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस used on electric circuit, clear, for off and break, on and off कीजिएगा, on and off, that is break the line. स्विच ऑन कीजिएगा, कनेक्ट होगा सर्किट के साथ, ऑफ कीजिएगा, सर्किट सट जाएगा, देयर विल बी नो कनेक्शंस। ये सब चीज याद रखिएगा। एंड फ्यूज इज ऑल्सो सेफ्टी डिवाइस टू कंट्रोल द हीट। या कंट्रोल हीट बोलने से आपको ठीक नहीं है, कंट्रोल द करंट। इफ द मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज इज कम, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? बहुत बड़ा हीट हो जाएगा, वो आग लग जाएगा। सो फ्यूज इज ए वायर, यूज एज ए वायर, लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट compared to the circuit melting point. So it will melt, automatically it will disconnect. Clear? Please, if you like these explanations, please you share to your friends. And if you have any doubt, please write something in comment. Those who has not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.